Hey everybody, and welcome back to Miss D's Pantry, and today is My Adventures episode number 18. If you don't know what that is where I travel to different places. In this particular case, I went to a restaurant in Ocean City, Maryland. So this is a restaurant showing, and I will link down below my full review of this place I wrote for my blog. So you guys check that out, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
You know they're playing soccer, right? The women.
So it would be like, they are all three or all four of them. Let's do this. You want to do that one? Special.
The Malibu rum punch bucket.
Yeah, I saw a lot of those. A lot of people love them.
But you know what's so crazy? They got the paper and everything ready for you to get busy.
Yeah, because they have all you can eat feast. What are you looking at? Under steamers and raw bar?
That's ain't Grace.
Because she doesn't care about fixing me any. She just fixes herself. Try it. Raspberry is sweet. Blue Point is salty.
Blue Point is good.
Blue Point is salty.
Blue Point.
And this I just had too much hot sauce.
I'm trying to look at my doggone seeds up in there. I ain't
But we can eat the
ain't
day.
gonna have no
Orange
grocery money.
Crush
Shit,
with
we don't
fresh
even know
orange juice.
How much we should just toss to
First time Orange Crush. Ocean City's finest. I believe it's vodka, triple sec, and fresh orange
Whatever this is
juice.
right here.
This one's not terrible. I usually don't like alcohol because it tastes like venison, or it tastes like rubbing alcohol, or it just tastes gross.
Tuna and lobster tower. Tuna poke, lobster salad, avocado. Calamari, oyster casino. What is this, seafood pasta? Oh, yum. What's in here? Woo-hoo! That's crab legs.
Oh, wait. Gotta get this action. Gotta get this.
Oh. What is this? Crab